Hey guys, my name is Alexa and I am going to be showing you how to make slime with just 2 ingredients. Only 2. No glue, no laundry detergent. Yeah. So let's get started. So all you need is like a mixing tool. I have this like knife, but it's not sharp. And I have like this container, and I have 3-in-1. It's like shampoo and conditioner and body wash. So you can at least use body wash or conditioner or shampoo, one of them, but these are all the same. And then you want salt. And you could do food coloring if you want coloring to yours, but there's coloring in mine. So yeah, and I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get my food coloring. Okay guys, I am back and I got my food coloring. You can see. Okay, I'll set this back. You can put any amount of this. So yeah, any amount. If you put a lot, you're going to make a lot. And if you put a little, you're going to make a little. So yeah. Okay, that is good. I got that in there. You guys can see. Oops. And you just want to mix it a little. You have to turn this into slime. And it is going to turn into slime. It kind of looks like slime when you're mixing. I'll try to show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah. But it's not slime yet. And now I'm going to add my food coloring. Sorry guys. Food coloring. I'm going to take blue. Put that in. You don't want to put too much because it might dye your hands. You don't want that to happen. Then mix that in good. Oh, I was about to grab the soap and set that aside, you guys. We're going to add a little bit of salt at a time, and then we'll start going. It's starting to turn in to slime. I just need a little bit more salt. You guys could add a little bit more salt, but I don't like a lot because it might get a little liquidy. It's not really sticking to me. So yeah. Add just a little. My eye is itchy. Whoa. See, it's like that. It's not really sticking on to the bowl. Yeah, guys. And it didn't really do nothing. Look at that. So, I love this one. So it's like no glue. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye.